Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a reliable Rangoli paste and a simple applicator so you can draw consistent lines. Mix 2 parts rice flour with 1 part water into a smooth, toothpaste-like paste. This gives grip and opacity on the floor. Once done, fill a clean squeeze bottle or a folded paper cone with a 1-2 mm nozzle for fine control, and add a teaspoon of glue if you need stronger adhesion. This setup speeds drawing and prevents blobs when you start patterns. Once your basic applicator is ready, tune flow and texture so your pens behave like real Rangoli tools. If lines break, thin with a few drops of water. If they spread, stiffen with 1 teaspoon corn flour or chalk powder to increase body. Swap nozzles from 0.8 to 2 mm to get both delicate and bold strokes. For color, premix dry powdered pigments into small paste batches. This helps you maintain consistent shade and prevents clogging and narrow tips while you work. You complete the Rangoli by refining edges and protecting the surface so it lasts longer. Lightly mist with water or dust a thin layer of fine rice powder to set the paste. This reduces smearing. When packing up, immediately rinse nozzles with warm water and push a thin needle through the tip to prevent drying clogs. If a line smudges, gently lift excess with a damp cotton swab and reapply a thin line. This restores crisp edges without remaking the whole design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.